Hey guys, how's it going? This is hopefully Sunday with another video. Into today, I have invested so far $675.79. This is my investing journey. For disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm gonna show you guys which stocks I own and why I decided to sell the last ETFs I was owning, I bought. So let's get into it. So today the stock market is open. It's been up $3.58. That's 0.53%. To be honest, it's the first time in my investor journey I have seen that my portfolio is a little bit up, to be honest. Because I was owning covered call ETFs. That means that they were unstable. They were going down every day. And the dividends were coming. Yeah, one of them paid weekly, the other one paid monthly. But the weekly one was going down, and the dividends were unstable. So this is all of this game, right? You invest, you can lose, you can win, you can own gains, and you can go own profits. Dividends and more. So my journey, it's about dividends. So I got my attention to this covered call ETFs because I saw the dividend yield. They were over 100%, and that caught my eye. So for a beginner, you don't have to chase dividend yield. I learned that the hard way, but this is all about our journey that we'll learn of our mistakes. So let's get into it. So a week ago, I was down $8.81. That's 1.29% of my portfolio. While last month was $14.81, 2.14%. And let's see the 3 months back, $13.69. That's 1.99% of my portfolio. As you can see, guys, I told you already that we learn of our mistakes. So let's scroll down. Hopefully, guys, you don't get dizzy for me scrolling down. And we can see that I own 3 stocks. These 3 stocks, I'm going to stick with them. I'm not going to sell them, never. So let's get to the first one. The first one is Altria Group. That's a ticker symbol. It's MO. So until now, the price is $59.38. That's $1.23 right now. Like I said, the stock market is open. I own 1 position. So the thing is that, like I said, I just changed my whole portfolio for these 3 stocks. So the first one I'm showing you is Altria. So the market value is $59.37. Average cost $58.52. And this is my portfolio diversity as 20.80%. Today returns is 0.855 cents. That's 0.86 cents right now. So let's go back and see the other one I just bought. It's Chevron. Chevron, you know that they are oil company, and they're everyone in the United States, and they are internationally too. So let's get into it. So it's in price now, it's $168.52. They're up $2.43. That's 1.45% as today. I own 1 position. The market value is $168.50. Average cost $166.32. And the portfolio diversity is 59.2%. Today returns is $2.18. That's 1.31% up. And that's the total return, actually, because like I said, I just bought these 3 stocks. So the last one is a REIT. That's real to income. Ticker symbol O. In today's price is $57.59, and they up 0.98. That's 1.73%. And I own 1 share. That's 1 position. The market value is $57.59. Average cost $56.98. Portfolio diversity is 20.18%. Today's returns it's 0.6176. So I just made a whole video about realty income, why I invest on this company particularly. They have a very diversified portfolio. That's why I decided to invest in it. And you can see, guys, in the other videos, there's a lot of videos I have where explaining things. I'm not a professional, I'm not a financial advisor, but the things I search, I try to learn, because this is all about, this is a investing journey. If you're a beginner, you're watching still this, you're gonna get confused 100%. So you have to do is dive into the stock market, see what what is a capital market, what is the average cost, market value, portfolio diversity, what is the this all these terms, what is a share, what is a dividend. And when you choose one of them, let's say the one I'm choosing right now, real income, seeing how they performed the past years and the dividend yield, if you're chasing dividend yield, they have been consistently paying out to the shareholders. And when you do all that research and you are 100% secure that you want to own this stock, buy it, hold it, and see how they perform, because you already have those values, those numbers of your own research, and they have been throwing out there under pages or NASDAQ, and you're gonna see if it's convenience for you. So yeah, guys, like I say, I'm a beginner still. I'm still learning. Yeah, this is all about. This is our journey. So I'm gonna scroll more down. Hopefully you don't get dizzy. And I'm gonna show you. This is the cover call strategy ETF. This QDTE that I own. I mean, I used to own. So let's scroll down. So as you can see, this is the expense. It's starting with the expense ratio. I'm sorry for that expense ratio, 0.95%. That's high. To be honest, for paying an ETF, yeah, I understand that they're gonna come dividends consistently, but they're not gonna be sustainable. They're not gonna be always the same. They're gonna come down, up, down, up, down. So I didn't understand that. So the thing is that this is a high risk ETF. It's not even for everybody. Like, for example, for me, for a beginner, it's not for me. So let's see that expense ratio. That means that if you invest on this ETF $10,000, you will pay around $100 of fee. So I'm gonna show you guys that this was my last dividend of this ETF. Owning 17 shares, the amount per share is 0.2361 cents. The total amount is $4.06. As you can see, guys, I was just starting on it, and then I was like, okay, my portfolio is going down. The dividends are coming, but not that sustainable. So I decided to sell it, and I lost about $42, $50. But it's okay. I prefer to lose that money before than after, because this is all about that. You can learn, research, and you can renew your portfolio. What I mean is that see what is going on in your portfolio, not only dividends. Don't chase dividends yield, especially highly, because that's what I was doing. I own QDTE, and the other one is CONY. This other one I was owning, and I decided to sell because of the same reason. It wasn't that sustainable, and my portfolio was going down. The dividends were on. I mean, I never got a dividend for this, to be honest, but still, I decided to sell it. As you can see right now, the expense ratio 1.22%. As I say, for every $10 you invest in this is particular ETF, you're gonna be paying 125, probably 123 with taxes, something like that. But yeah, so this is all, guys. This is all my portfolio until now, and hopefully you guys like what I'm doing, the content. And not only that, as you can see, that it's right to make mistakes. It's right to dive and get attention with stocks, ETFs that have a dividend yield, highly dividend yield, and make your calculation like, oh, okay, if I buy, let's say, right, the one ETF I own. Oh, if this ETF pay $13.33 a year, and they pay weekly, and you make the calculator amount, okay, if I own 2,500 of these shares, I'm gonna get almost $33,000 a year, and then so all these kind of things. But you're not driving into it. What I mean is that there's taxes you have to pay. You have to pay the fee. I was telling you that for every $10,000 you invest, you have to pay a fee, because they maintain these ETFs other people instead of you. So yeah, guys, this all of that. As a beginner, it's hard to know all these things. You can watch other videos, you can see other people investing, and you can get inspired, you can get motivated from other people. But still, if you see other people investing in a stock, that doesn't mean that you're gonna go ahead and at the broker and you're gonna buy that stock, the same guy you're watching on YouTube or wherever, on X, on Instagram, TikTok. No, no, you have to do your own research, see how risky is that investment, if that investment gonna be the correct for you. If not, try on searching another thing and try to get the best stock or ETF or REIT or bond that's gonna fit better for you for your financial future. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully you have watched into this part of the video. I'm gonna keep uploading videos. I'm gonna explain on other ones why I decided to buy Chevron and El Chira Group. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully see you in another